Good day, spellers. Welcome to another week of spelling lessons. We are today on the 9th of November. So 11 for November. It is the 9th, still 2020. Right? Almost 2 months of 2020 left. We are on lesson number 34 today. Spelling notebooks are ready. Comfortably close to the red margin. Our first word today is the word spend. How did you spend your time this weekend? What's something fun that you did? Spend. Hopefully, you did not spend a lot of money. Scholars, pause for a moment and analyze spend. All right, let's check how you did. Spend is a one-syllable word, all with first or only sounds. S, p, e, n, d. Right? First sound of the s, first sound of the e, p, n, d. Spend. And no rules. Spend. Scholars, we did not have to spend much time on that word. Our next word is the word enjoy. I hope you enjoy the spelling lesson today. Enjoy. Press pause. Analyze enjoy. Let's check your analysis. How many syllables in enjoy? Right, 2. I'm going to stop there for just a moment. That is our first syllable, but scholars, it's very common for me to see people write in joy, right? I-N, like in, like you're in the house right now. But it's enjoy, joy, Finger space, j, oy. Did you find the multiple letter phonogram? Right. Oi, 2-letter oi that we do use at the end of English words. Enjoy does not have a rule either. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that word. Word number 3 already. Ah. Right? Not ah like the doctor said. Say ah. Right? Ah, like I am in awe of the great work you are doing, even while we're in distance learning. Awe, right? Think about if someone says something is awesome, right? That means they're in awe of it. They're thrilled about it. They're happy, right? It's great. So when something has you in awe, it usually relates to being pleased by it, surprised by it, happy about it. Awe. Scholars, pause for a moment and analyze awe. Let's check. See if you can put me in awe with all your great answers. How many syllables in awe? Right, 1 syllable. Aw is a multiple letter phonogram. Did you catch it? Say it with me. Ah, 2-letter ah that we do use at the end of English words. But you're already noticing, scholars, it does not have the dictionary spelling unless we have that silent E. Remember, silent E's get double underlined. And we have to figure out which rule. Did you figure it out? Perhaps you thought, oh, vowel, consonant, silent E. True, but this vowel is not saying its name sound. This is ah. It's actually no job E. Is that what you wrote? If not, remember, it's okay to go change it. That's a growth mindset. That's us learning. Ah. Then, scholars, our last required word comes from the word awe, right? It has awe as a base word. Awful. So you can be in awe of something that's awful as well. We think of being in awe, right, as a great, wonderful thing, but something awful can also put you in awe. Analyze awful. Ready to check? Awful. 2 syllables. Aw. And I bet you remembered it's a multiple letter phonogram. Say it with me again. Aw. 2-letter ah that we do use at the end of English words. Finger space. Then we have the suffix full. Right? So that's the suffix full, which means full, but it isn't spelled with 2 L's like full. It's just a suffix, F-U-L, full. And it means that you're full of something, right? If you're helpful, you're full of help. If you're careful, you're full of care. If you're beautiful, you're full of beauty. Awful, you're full of awe. Did you notice the rule? This might have tricked you, right? We dropped the E from the root word or base word awe to make the full. Even though full isn't a vowel suffix, we dropped the E to add the suffix. So drop the E. Awful. Oh, it'd be awful if you forgot to drop that E. Awful. Then, scholars, our bonus word today is the word Peru. Right? In our last lesson on Friday, we learned that Lima is the capital of Peru. Peru is a country along the west coast of the continent of South America. Peru. So now you've learned Lima, Peru. Let me show you Lima, Peru on a map. Here's Lima, and this dark orangish red is the country of Peru in South America. So Lima, Peru. All right. Then, scholars, remember we have this empty space if you would like to do the optional enrichment work for today. You can make a picture of something you enjoy doing. Something you enjoy doing. What's a favorite thing that you like to do, that you enjoy doing? And then remember, it is optional enrichment if you would like to send this notebook photo to your teacher. The required part, open the Spelling Google form, answer the 5 questions about the spelling words for today, use this video, use my notebook sample in the post, answer the 5 questions, and then click Submit at the bottom of the Google form so that your answers get sent to your teacher. Scholars, thanks for joining me for another spelling lesson. I can already tell it's going to be a great week. Thanks for joining me.